In this video, we are going to see on how to rationalize the denominator, and we rationalize the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator with its conjugate. So this will be multiplied by bracket root of 3 plus root of 2, and we divide by the same. So the conjugate of root of 3 minus root of 2 will be root of 3 plus root of 2. We make use of this identity that when you have a plus b multiplied by a plus b, the result will be a squared minus b squared. So our numerator will be 2 times root of 3, which will be 2 root 3, plus 2 times root 2 will be 2 root 2, plus 5 times we have 5 root 3 times root 3 will be 5 multiplied by 3. Root 3 times 3 will be 3 plus 5 root 6. 5 root 6 divided by our a in this case is root 3 squared. Root 3 squared minus root 2 squared. This will be equal to here we are going to have 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 15 plus 5 root 6 divided by root 3 squared is 3, root 2 squared is 2. Root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 15 plus 5 root 6 divided by 1. So it follows that 2 plus 5 root 3 divided by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 5 root 6 plus 15 when we rationalize the denominator. So remember, to rationalize the denominator, you simply multiply the numerator and the denominator with the conjugate of the denominator. And the conjugate is obtained by changing the sign between the two numbers. So for those who are new, kindly subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us now and then. And also remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever there is a new release. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.